guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a synthetic half wig that is brought to us from Sam's Beauty. So this is just a picture of their site. They have so many half wigs. Last year 2020 was the year of half wigs, and you guys, they have so many over there. So I didn't get any of the ones from the Converti-Cap, so they did send me one of those. So the one we have today is from Outre. It is from the Converti-Cap, and it is called Love Affair. I will tell you guys, I absolutely love this wig. I have wore it once. I do have it in the color 1B. It comes with this wave pattern. I like that because I wanted something that was textured. Now you do get 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and you get this drawstring. This wig can be worn as a ponytail as well. So what I'm showing you guys, this is how I braid my hair down under my wigs. I do leave a little bit out in the front, just a little bit around the bang area in case I want to pull it up. That makes it great for styles like this. I went ahead on and pulled this wig up. Okay, you guys, I know you're gonna come for me for my edges. I don't put a lot on my edges, so I just want to kind of show it to you guys. I would tie it up and do it better if I was to wear it out, obviously. The next style that I have is going to be some bunny ears. I took one of my headbands and I made it look like this. Again, I like my edges to look kind of natural, but I would lay them down a little better than this. So this is another way that you can kind of do it. I like this wig because it adds texture, and due to me being natural, I always am having a hard time when it comes to half wigs because they're like too silky straight and I can never blend my hair in. I didn't have the problem with this one, so if you are natural and you struggle with finding a wig or a half wig, something like this would work. So now the next style that I ended up doing was I went in and took a braid, braided it down. This braid is in the color like number 2, you guys. I braided it down and I put it and used it as a headband. It came out super cute, and then I used some of my braid jewelry and put it on. It looked a little bit different. I think that added a little bit of pizzazz to it and made it just look really, really cute. Again, made it a nice natural style with saving my edges and keeping it as a protective style. So I went in and brushed the hair out a little bit. I did want to make it into a messy ponytail, so what I did was I needed to hide that front, so I just put a headband on and then I pulled it up into this really messy ponytail. Now that's what's great about this Converti-Cap, is that where the wig ends in the front and where your hair begins, it is a very, very flat, so you can get a nice cute look. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you guys some pros and some cons. Hey you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial on this half wig. Like I said, it's really cute and you can do so many different styles with it. I just did a couple of them with it. So thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending this wig over today. I do love it. I have been wearing my half wigs from, I want to say Outre or Outre. I've been wearing those like non-stop. They're just been my throw and goes. This one here, as I probably mentioned, I did throw it on before and I was going to record, and I kind of was just like, what am I going to do with it? And I just wanted to kind of think of different little ways to wear it or whatever. And I like this messy ponytail the best because it just looks super, super, super natural. I didn't really have to do anything to the front. I wear my edges natural, but if you want to gel them down, I always say go ahead on and gel your edges down. I don't put a lot of products on my actual hair, so I try to you know, just kind of stay away from products, especially around my edges, because I wear wigs exclusively, and a lot of times I used to have to keep washing my edges just so that they wouldn't like crust up, you know, and you get that breakage. So, you know, again, yours may look different than mine. If you want to go in, slick your edges down, I like mine looking like this. I feel like it just looks really, really, really natural. Throw my grays in there, you know, and just have it as a messy ponytail to go out for the day. So I really like it. Let me know which style you guys like best. Are you into the half wigs? I love them. I didn't think I would love them as much as I do. I'm so glad that they came back in style, and I'm so glad they have so many different options when it comes to these wigs. You can add heat, you can change them up, you can pull them up, definitely with the headbands. It's just so much, you guys, we can do with these wigs. So again, thanks for watching today. Just a quick video. My returning subscribers and my YouTube babes, hey girl, hey, I know a lot of you guys have already got this wig or have one of these wigs out of this collection. So let's start a conversation in the comment section below. Which one of these is your favorite? Right now, I currently only have this one. I might have another one, and then I have the 2 from Outre, which is the niches. So tell me which one is your favorite, why. Let's go ahead on and key that up in the comment section below. So if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.